Turn loss and clear. Visual scan into gate clear. S gate clock since all clear.
All clear.
All clear to arrive dispatch.
The brakes open. We go full throttle in our shiny red 1961 Chevy Corvette. Really great ride. That was very good. You know, if I actually had to, because I was actually debating this a little bit before I came here, I think this is the stronger Cyclone of the two RMC Cyclones that exist in the Six Flags chain. Wicked Cyclone's good, but I think this one has the better pacing and the better intensity compared to it. It also has a much more unique layout.